It's a big look.
Man, I can't believe you didn't tell me that.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, I've already been to the gym and I even just stopped at Low Shoe Stand quickly to get a few little tidbits that we needed. And I'm on my way back home now and just getting the day started, you know. Last night we went to Fidel's tribute ceremony, memorial night, and it was really nice. Just amazing to see so many people come together, you know, for him. So many people who loved him and who was loved by him. So that was if an evening could be nice under the circumstances, it was a nice evening. So yeah, got to see lots of people I haven't seen in a long time. Ooh, I need to get some pumpkin. Hi Colette.
Morning.
Morning. You have any pumpkin? I'd love a piece of pumpkin, not too big. And okra. You have any okra?
Yeah.
I'd love some okra
One
too.
dozen?
Yeah,
Two.
1 dozen. Thank you. Hi JJ. So yeah, that is that. I'm not sure what is on the agenda for today. I don't feel like I have that much going on today, to be honest. So I think I'm just gonna be, you know, doing what I gotta do. We're about 4 weeks out of getting back to school, but there is so much to be done before then. We're also busy trying to raise funds for the team, the robotics team, to go to Italy, which is a process and a lot of work because we're trying to do it very quickly. But we're working on that as well. Lots going on, guys. So much. And yeah, and now Olympics is over and summer is almost done. If you're in the States, a lot of kids have gone back to school already because they end school earlier and they go back to school earlier. I kind of like that. It's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other, really, you know. Anyway, let me know what you guys are up to today. I'm about to go home and see what's cooking up there.
You can tell me why every morning Ivy insists on waking up Daddy. No matter what time Daddy go to bed, you know, Daddy have to wake up on Ivy terms. But peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Come, let me set up your show for you. Come. Oi, yeah.
Say good morning, elephant. How do you do? Lovely morning, elephant. Now may I dance with you?
What? What? You want a vlog? You vlogging, Daddy? But your finger look like it blocking the camera though. Every first time vlogging, guys. Yeah. Hold it up. You seen Daddy? Hi, guys. Hey, put it up again, Ivy. No, don't cover the camera. Yeah, guys. It's crazy how well we know Auntie Rachel videos. I know those of you with kids may know Auntie Rachel. She's so popular. Her videos are big on YouTube for the kids. Very educational, very fun, very interactive for the kids. So if you guys have young kids and don't know that there's a resource called Auntie Rachel, Miss Rachel on YouTube, you guys should check it out. Alright, let me go see what Tami are going with out the door then now. What happened? Wee wee? Ivy, come, there's a pee clock behind Daddy. Go watch your show. You go watch your show and give Daddy some privacy, okay? Alright, Booba. She know my routine, you know. Here now, come. Yeah, anyway, alright, so may I get myself together now. As usual, we'll have a list of things to do today and most other days, just like every other progressive human being. We just try to be as productive as possible each day that God give us life and breath. May I go brush my teeth and tea up myself and, you know what I'm saying? Get myself ready for the day. What is going on out here?
Hi.
Ivy, me left you up there, so. Come, Baba. Come. She a big girl now. What's up?
Hi.
You go gym?
Yeah.
Slim and trim and now fi go a gym.
I'm not slim
And
and
in
trim,
the
that's why
ear
I'm at
and
gym,
wine
guys.
and sing.
I think I gained about 10 pounds.
No, sir.
No, I literally said to myself, no man, get back under this thing, man. And let me tell you, it's not the gym is the problem, you know. It's the eating. Hi, Boogie. Yogurt. Yes, I brought yogurts for you. You want a yogurt? No, not Yes, please, mommy. Okay,
Yes,
your
please.
yogurt.
Jackson, what's up? You up and running?
So you're really going to book a port today?
I'm gonna try. This depends on availability and a lot of stuff, some variables.
Do
Guys,
it for him, Dad. He's so desperate.
if you think a meal of pickleball is a him, this little boy here is a pickleball prodigy.
No, but
No, wicked.
after you guys came second, I keep saying you guys won because to me you won.
You're a win.
We have been seriously considering what it would be like to actually have a pickleball court, you know. No lie.
Hey, good and nice, you know. I wonder if the space the right one on the side here, so. Right round to the side here, so. A nice little pickleball court. What is about it?
Like an outdoor pickleball court, or are there going to be walls around it?
It will be
like a
outdoor
net.
regardless, but it's just like a net to catch the balls. Like a high net.
Kind of like a pickle and chill.
Oh,
You can picture that in your mind eye. Yeah, boy. What you say? I mean, knowing without bother me for go outside, go practice now, you know. Dad, can we go outside and go do some thinking?
100%.
What were you today, Tami?
I don't know. I don't have much planned. I was thinking to maybe pass by voice box also
Oh, yeah.
to see how it's going, you know.
It's true. Alright, that sounds like a plan in the first party. What you say?
Off we go. We
Ready
have
for the
a
road?
little party today. No jumping,
Step down,
please. regular.
Still like her mother.
Regular.
Ooh.
Ivy, you have to be careful.
Stress her out, Ivy.
Okay guys, so we just stopped to get a little lunch. Ivy, say hi. No? Ivy's watching her Rachel.
Sometime-ish.
Very. We're actually gonna go grab a coffee and take it for Auntie Tessie after this. We're gonna drop Ivy back home and then, yeah. Right? It's what?
Pepper
Pimento?
only.
Pepper. Never.
Right now in the back of my throat.
Never, man. I can't beat you back for that. No, sir.
Yeah.
You okay? We'll eat our salads when we get home.
Boy, I tell you. You see that bus class something there?
Me say, it's real.
A proper that extend your life here. 1 week gone on from my life you know. We never get rid of that gas there.
Hey, would I get rid of you?
Ain't that the facts?
Hey, if you don't go Devon House recently, you must go. It is so beautiful. And people are always sat out under the trees. chilling. It's actually really nice. It's actually really beautiful grounds. So, remember when you used to say the boys are to run up on them sometimes? Should do it again. Alright, we'll catch you back.
Walk on.
We out.
And they're on the works. I did the thing. All the vibes. Kids them excited. Beer talent. No, my seat found like some real talent out there. What?
Never seen this before.
This is our summer intensive and it's going to be on the 24th of August.
Yeah.
I think showtime will be 7 p.m. and we'll have a few tickets.
Are we going back to the same venue for the show or is it a
we're
different
right
venue?
here, right
Campion
here.
Auditorium right here, so.
You see what nice and big?
Yeah. Okay, so right here.
Well, most of it is going to be their families. We have about 50 kids this year. So
Okay.
their families alone with clubs. So we have very, very few tickets for like public churches.
Gio said the talent is crazy this year.
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
He's right. And Gio has been very good in terms of helping them out with harmonies and all of that. So we're
Okay.
very happy. Uncle
Nice.
Shane, look who it is.
Nice.
He's never on the other end.
Uncle Shane. Big up.
So yeah.
Alright, cheers. What is it?
Instead of just, they wrote that song and so it just is so
And they actually
brilliant.
had a really big hand in the choreography.
I love it.
It's so good.
No, it's very good.
It's so good. And that's an original song.
Yeah, Chrissy,
That's the voice box song.
That's an original
That's our
song.
theme. It's our
and it
song.
needs to be
Wow.
released. That song needs to be released.
We're not gonna work with that soundtrack.
Tell me you're a mom and dad who both telling me.
That dep on your
So,
Spotify, Bridget? You find that on Spotify?
Ivy.
You're
Ivy
bad.
Bean. Oh gosh, guys, that was so nice. The kids, their talent. It's a lot of kids. It's a lot of kids. You gotta have a lot of hands on deck.
Yeah.
And they sounded good.
Why? Tessie put in work, you know?
It's unbelievable. This is their second year doing these summer intensives, and honestly, it's a lot of work leading up to it. But it's gonna pay off again, and you know it's just so great for the kids. For those of you who don't know, this is a free experience for children who literally auditioned to be a part of the summer intensive, and it's called a summer intensive because it's intense, and it means that for 2 weeks they come and they work on songs and music for the show. So it's great, and they don't just work with Tessie, they have other vocal coaches and teachers there as well, and choreographers, everything. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, I'm very, very, very happy for them and excited, and just really, you know, have fun.
And for those who want to support, where they can follow like VoiceBox on
VoiceBox
Instagram. The show is on the
876, I
24th
think.
of August.
Yeah. And their Tessa and Chin Foundation is an actual thing. So, you know, there are ways to help with the foundation as well. So, yep, it's great. So excited and happy for them. What a heat. It's hot. And then it was so nice because we got a chance to meet some first cousins just now.
Yeah.
A special shout out to Fadan and Miss Brown
Yeah.
in New York who are watching right now.
Amen.
We just met your sister who is so lovely. And of course, they're big time Wolmerians. You want to hear them talk about Agekwadagis for the big Campion compound. Never feel good about that.
What Campion matter?
Red is strong.
Red is strong?
Red is strong. I don't know.
Red is
Fortis
blood.
and something. I don't know. Anyway, we gotta go get gas. Mundane things.
As you come in the kitchen time, you're bad, so where you cook?
You know, I'm just making a little conch.
Okay.
Almost like roast style, but not in the foil paper. I just do it in the pot.
Okay.
So the fly them kill me though, Wayne.
So you eat your salad already?
No, I'm gonna eat my salad yet.
Why not?
Because I may have that later.
Okay. This okra you have to
Yeah.
plan for them.
Yeah.
What Gio them say them do?
I don't know, you know. But you know, when him and Dante get together,
Clear things.
a drama, a joke, not drama, it's jokes. All them just laugh the whole day, the whole night. But it's a joy still.
I want to fix the pictures on our wall.
Yes, we could do that.
Let's do that after you're done, yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Last time I cook it, I never get none.
Andrew? It's really part of my meal prep, you know. But I like it tasted still. So if I cook down, because nice for children. I really like. Oh, it's hot.
How's it been? Who is this?
I'm low.
Why me you don't know? Who is this?
I don't know anymore than top 5.
Huh?
I don't know anymore than top 5.
Alright, so who is this then? Who is this little boy?
I don't know.
18 years ago.
Oh gosh, not 18 years ago. He would have been at least 3 in this photo. 16 years ago?
Yeah.
That's wild. Uh-oh. I love this picture of you and Gio. Nice screensaver, Dad.
That's Gio, bro. Huh? You can't imagine Gio looks a little bit and me I lift up Gio, big old giant man. Huh? But it looks like Ozzy. Look.
Well, they are brothers.
You don't think it look like Ozzy?
I do.
NTM family, talk the truth. This little picture.
That's definitely an Aussie face right there.
Don't it?
Yeah, big time. Big time. Well, before you know it, they'll be towering over you too.
I
So,
wonder if we can get back that beautiful energy. Didn't I come back in?
why?
Daddy, can
Sticky.
you please book a court order?
Sticky, you never have to add that. Tami, I don't know if I told MTM, but Pitchy Patchy, remember Pitchy Patchy that we did last year, my first, my debut on stage, has been nominated for like about 9 Actor Boy Awards.
What?
Yes, Tami.
Why didn't you tell me that?
Yeah, man, no, look here.
When did you find this out?
Since week.
And you never said anything to me?
Yeah, no.
Wait, why would you keep that from me?
No, I never keep it from me. I watched the nomination announcement and everything.
No. So you're saying at no point you thought to yourself to say, hey, wife.
Yes, Tami, yes, but you know it got Tami, I bear things are going up and down.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
congratulations.
Yeah. So you know, like how you have
What kind of
Emmys.
kiss that? Forget the vlog. That's a moment. That's
So
amazing.
guys, Actor Boy is like how you say you have Oscars for the movies international, you have Emmys, you have Grammys.
Actor Boys for plays.
Locally,
Yeah.
when you talk about plays, the theater scene has their own personal awards, which is
That's
the Actor Boy Award. So it's big for stage actors. So my first run and beer nomination and beer, I think best original song that me and Jenny did together was nominated.
way.
Yeah. It's
Wow,
a big
big
look.
up to the whole Pitchy Patchy team.
Yeah,
That's a
big
big
up Ryan and the
deal.
whole team, man. It's a big look.
Man, I can't believe you didn't tell me that.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
telling you now.
no.
Tami, I just since week, I find out. Hello.
Tell us at the same time. I'm proud of you. That's awesome.
All right. So guys, me have my level and me have my tape measure, and Tami I try to stress me out. Like she know I'm use my thing them.
It's not that serious.
It is that serious. Where you want the first one?
Wherever you say.
It need to go up. Yeah.
Okay.
Right there, so.
Perfect. Can you do me a level then? Because this is just one of those that just stick. It's not no drill hole or anything.
Alright, cool. Good. Mixed styles them. I like them. I like how them are work futuristic. Jackson, hold this there.